Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Back with another video for you guys. Shh, shh, shh. I'm trying to film, man. Goddamn. It is the same day. This is literally like the 4th video I filmed today. But I know you guys been commenting that I should ride more different bikes. So now I'm riding a Hypermotard 950 SP. I am not... See, that's the V4 Street Fighter S that I rode last time. I like that bike. That's not bad. I can handle that, you know. This is my style. This is not my style. I just can't do it. But exactly, it's pretty much, that's what it is. It's like a dirt bike for the streets. Yeah. She belongs to the streets. But we'll see how it is. This is very different because it's not like a V4. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, it's a similar setup. I do not know how to work it though. Okay, mode. Why can I not figure this out? I need to take a leak really bad too. Setting menu, riding mode, sport, and huh? I did, yeah. Like a couple days ago, I already made a video on it. Yeah, now people wanna see this on the channel. Maybe if they don't put it back in time, I'll take it for it because I loved riding that one. That one is actually fun. It's a little different, so I was trying to figure out how to adjust the settings. By the way, I set everything very low, so when I'm done with it, oh, this is gonna be so weird.
Even wheelie control in 3, you can get this shit up.
So,
Torquey at first.
really?
You need a little bit more rub.
We'll see. We'll see how it feels. I'm just gonna take it around here. I'm just gonna keep going back and forth and shit like that. Okay. I'm not, because I have no idea like the area or anything, so I'm worried if I go, I'm not gonna know how to get back.
Yeah, it's chill over here.
Yeah. Yo, I really need to take a piss. Where? I mean, I am in LA, pretty much anywhere. I think it's a 2-seater. I feel so weird on this. I don't like it already. Yeah, this is already weird as hell. My helmet position is also probably like so weird because I'm used to like riding like this, not like this. So it might be too high for you guys. I don't know. But bike is already warm. Only res up to 10. That's gonna be weird because I'm not used to that at all. And it's regular shift. Yep. Oh, this is weird, the leg positioning. He said it comes up way more than the other bike, so we'll figure out about that, if that's true or not. Woo. Clutch release is very late. This feels very weird. I just want to get a feel for it. Nah, I don't know, man. I'm just like, it feels like too, like doesn't feel like a bike at this point. Nah, the other bike is way nicer to like wheelie and all that stuff. These roads are pretty bumpy too. It's very easy to ride, like as you guys can see, but it's just not the vibe. It's pretty torquey too. I want to give it a little speed, see how it feels. It just feels so odd. This is pushing it a little bit for me, you know? Like the other bike, the Street Fighter, I'm down for that. Yeah, I already want to get back on the Street Fighter. Actually, I think it wheelies a little bit better in second gear. Let's try the second one more time. I'm still like getting used to like the way this bike sits and all, because it's very, very different. It's like super easy. It just doesn't feel like a motorcycle to me. It feels like a dirt bike, which is pretty much what it is. So yeah. I'm not a fan. I want to get on that. I'm gonna get on that actually right now. It doesn't feel as good wheeling this thing. Just, I don't know, it's cool because it's in comparison to that, like, I want to get back on that. As soon as you guys are done, I'm gonna get back on that. Okay, like, I rate this overall like a 7 out of 10. I give the V4s a 10 out of 10. The Street Fighter, I give, like, if you have an exhaust on it and it's dialed in, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. For now, it's like an 8.5.
I was ready for you to butcher it so bad.
What, the Street Fighter? Or this?
4 out of 10. This one.
No. It's okay, look. I personally would never own one. If you had it and we're just like messing around and shit, I'll hop on it, you know? It's not a bike that I'm like, nah, I never want to ride. It's just, I would never own one. That, maybe one day, because it's more comfortable and it's fast, kind of almost like the one next to it, you know what I mean? At least in lower speeds. But this is just so not my vibe. And it's like, I got it better in the end. It just, the gears are so short. That's why I keep going up and down right away, because I'm already redlining and I'm trying to shift and I'm GP shift. So I'm going the opposite way. I'm like, ah, shit, what am I doing? But yeah, I want to ride the Street Fighter again. What do you guys think? I look weird on this, huh? Don't be honest, it's okay.
You're just looking, you're riding a big ass dirt bike.
Yeah, pretty much. That's literally what it is. Yeah. No comment. That bone stock is way more fun than this. I mean, yeah, it's all preference. I like the super sports, the nice, beautiful zoom bikes. These ones maybe, because they still look good, they're still fast, but they're not like as good as the other one. That though, that's different. That's different. Oh yeah, this already feels much better. Oh yes, baby, the V4 rumble. Maybe that's what it is, you know? I just couldn't deal with not having the V4 rumble. Oh yeah, this is way, look at the power. See, now I got used to like the other bike a little bit, and now this bike is gonna feel a little weird. We'll let the car go. I know this is supposed to be a Hypermotard review, but honestly it's just not me. It's simple as that. This I can maybe deal with because it's like a half, you know, but the Hypermotard is literally a dirt bike for the streets, which in my opinion isn't fun. Dirt bikes are made for dirt, you know. I see how they can be fun, but it doesn't even come close to like this. I like this much better. Huh? Yeah, much better. Wait, I feel like just the sound of the V4 and then the speed that's like right there, you know? Way more fun. Might as well, since when we're done with this, I'll hop on that. All the Ducatis back to back. Yeah, look at that. Look.
No, I can't deny it.
Yeah. I caught that on video, AJ. It's okay, it's okay. I did it once today too. I know. Huh?
Let's go behind you. Huh? I want to go behind you.
All right.
But do they have another one?
Do you want to go on this?
Yeah, that one.
No, this one right here.
Let's go.
All right, bet. LA type of shit. Straight up LA type of shit. That's. I think that's security, no? Or is it a cop? I was like, if it's a cop, you can come on the back, but we're just gonna cruise. Huh? Ooh, that's gonna get me all the views. Well, yeah, I mean, we're all the same. It's a medium. You're probably what, like an extra small? Yeah. I won't drop you, just hold on. No, you gotta like hold on. Yeah. And the bike doesn't want to go in gear. Ready? The clutch release is late as hell in this one. It went into neutral. Why do they have the clutch so far out? You good? Yeah, on the way here when we went up, I shifted it and it went to neutral. Yeah. Yeah. Yo, your clutch release is hella late.
The bike also has 10,000 miles.
No, like you can adjust it, no?
Huh?
Do you want to keep it or should I adjust it?
It's fully out.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's too far out.
Closer?
No.
In comparison to these bikes.
Yeah, I did it because I don't want to be.
Oh, you did it? Oh, okay. I was gonna say because it's abnormally far. That's why in the start I was like trying to go. I know there's like extra weight, but I'm trying to go. I was like, where is it? I was like, it's all the way far out. Hope you had fun. Yeah, it was short, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was supposed to be a Hypermotard review video, but we ended up riding a V4 Street Fighter SP. It confuses me. V4S Street Fighter. Yeah, not SP, V4S Street Fighter, and a base model Panigale V4. A lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share, and support. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and ride safe. All right, say bye, everyone. Bye.